What's going on, guys? In this video, we're talking about Mara, M-A-R-A, Marathon Patent Group. It has absolutely exploded in the last 3 months. We're going to look a little bit at the reason why and kind of my thoughts on it. I do own a little bit of the stock, but there's some really odd things going on with it. So let's get right into it. Last 3 months, you can see currently up 482.17%. If you look up this company, you'll notice that a lot of people view this stock very positively. It has gone crazy as of recently. Just a few really days. I mean, you're looking at less than a month. So maybe half a month, end of July, it was under $1. We are all the way up in the mid fours and have peaked at over $5. Crazy growth. I currently am up 10%. I had already swung this once because I saw a lot of hype around it and I thought, hey, I can see why there's some hype. But the biggest reason why, see, a few days ago, this article was posted by William White at Investor Place. I'll link it below. Basically discussing the ties between Marathon Patent Group stock and Bitcoin. Basically, they are a cryptocurrency farming company. They own a lot of machines. We can check them out here, learn more. Overview. Marathon is a digital asset technology company that mines cryptocurrencies. Pretty simple. With the focus of the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets, we currently operate one mining facility in Quebec. Okay, look at mining. They have some pictures here, it looks like. A bunch of machines mining. Now, little disclaimer here. I am not a cryptocurrency expert by any means. It still kind of confuses me. I find it a very intriguing investment and just thing in general. So don't look at me as an expert here, but I just first glance looking at this, couple of red flags to me. I'll go through this in a little bit. The first thing that I will notice is, okay, 482% growth, 3 months. 5 years, however, down a ton, trading as high as $50 almost. Pretty odd if you ask me. 52-week low of, it looked like around 35 cents. That's all-time low, and it hit that not that long ago. So there's been a really large gain back. I mean, back in when did it start hitting in the ones? I mean, it steadily declined. And the crazy thing is where Bitcoin hit its peak back in end of 2017, Mara was steadily declining, cut in half, and has continued to drop. Now, I understand they might not just be farming Bitcoin. They're obviously farming cryptocurrency, but Bitcoin's kind of been the leader of cryptocurrencies. And it's just odd that a lot of the people and what they show on why they say it went up in this article is that Bitcoin is rising 73.9% as of Monday. Obviously, you saw over 3 months a ton, but that wasn't happening back then. Now, I think they've made some big moves over the last couple of years. But even as of recently, Bitcoin's up 24%, 25 almost percent, 24.5% over the last month. How it did spike was 29-ish percent, up 16% right now. It seems odd that Mara would be up so high over the last 3 months in comparison when it wasn't tracking Bitcoin before, but now it is. You'll see they did recently on July 29th purchased a bunch of miners, so that could obviously have a large thing to do with it. And there's also a lot of hype of Bitcoin. I don't know if you heard this rumor, but some people are believing that Bitcoin is going to rise as much as $100,000 for a Bitcoin, currently at 11.6. So that could drive some of the hype as well. But it just seems odd, the tie between Bitcoin and Mara, how it's like, hey, it's rising so fast because of the rise of Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin hasn't really gone that crazy. It has taken big spikes. It's broken over some real resistance. I have to admit that. And I am long on Bitcoin myself. I think it's an interesting play. I do currently hold a little higher cost. I actually just bought quite a bit today. I don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin, but I don't really want to get into my theories on Bitcoin right now. I could say that for another video. But something else I noticed that I found interesting, you look at the management team, the CEO, executive chairman, Merrick, I'm not sure how to pronounce his last name, so forgive me there. Look him up on LinkedIn. This is the same state they say that here. He's done a lot of investing, owned Viking Asset Management, featured guest speaker. But you'll see he doesn't even advertise being with Mara. Here's his Twitter. It says he's a momentum trader. Now, doesn't look like he's super active, although he is definitely very pro Bitcoin. His last couple tweets seems to like LSU football. What is going on here? I mean, he's just, hey, talking about Bitcoin. This is the guy, I think. Someone responded saying, hey, please don't tell me Our plan here is to continue mining Bitcoin. So, I mean, someone else has drawn this conclusion. This is definitely, it seems to be him. I've seen other images of him. It looks like it's him. Doesn't claim to be the CEO of Mara on here. I understand he does some other things, but still kind of odd. I don't know, guys. What do you think? This seems fishy to you? Does it not? I do own a little bit. I'm not going heavy for sure. I'd rather be in Bitcoin than Mara, Marathon Patent Group. It just kind of seems odd to me. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you long on Mara? Or you're not? This is an investment advice. Just thought I'd kind of look into it a little bit and found some, in my opinion, fairly interesting things. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know. Maybe I missed something big. I haven't been following things too closely. I literally just spent a little bit of time looking into this and I haven't really seen anybody talking about it. Please, please, please let me know. I'd love to get some feedback on this. I'll be reading everything. There's usually not too many comments, so I look forward to seeing what you have to say about this. If you enjoyed it though, please like the video, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, peace.